You wouldn't want a robot running your business. So why let one determine your PPC strategy? Other digital agencies rely on software and artificial intelligence to manage their pay-per-click campaigns. But we believe in the power of real human hands to generate the best results. When you choose Inflow, you'll get a data-driven, human-powered strategy to generate the sales your business deserves. And because we know that no two brands are the same, your strategy will always be personalized to your needs and goals, never part of a cookie-cutter scope. Using automated insights and hands-on e-commerce experience, we'll find the ad channels that work best for your business, including Google Shopping, Google Search, display ads, video ads, remarketing, and more. But don't just take it from us. We've got plenty of satisfied customers to prove it.
We saw good results, sustained steady growth. We started seeing the decline in CPA and increase in actual overall sales. So I'd recommend any e-commerce brand to work with Inflow.
If you want to scale your PPC revenue beyond your wildest dreams, then it's time to go Inflow.